Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. If that sounds like your cup of tea, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up if you do enjoy. We're diving right in, y'all. Today, it is my Ipsy versus Ipsy for May.
Be your own best beautiful.
Alright beauties, if you are unfamiliar with the OG Ipsy Glam Bag, this is a $13 monthly makeup beauty subscription box bag where you get one makeup bag and then 5 travel try me size items. I think the $13 a month for this is well worth the price. I have always said I feel like it's the best bang for your buck. I love getting the Ipsy Glam Bag, the OG one. First and foremost, because if you are a newbie to makeup, maybe you have a teen that's kind of getting into makeup, it's an easy way to build your collection and try multiple brands, multiple products and items, different shades, collections, colors, so on and so forth, without breaking the bank. Then if you like the travel or mini size, you can invest $20, $30, $40 for the full size, versus going and buying something and paying all that money for it and you hate it. I'm gonna dive in. I have my mother-in-law's bag and my own bag, and my Ipsy vs Ipsy is really to see is Ipsy listening to us, y'all, and I don't know if they are all the time. We're gonna find out. Her bag is, she has light skin, light eyes, and light hair, and she is semi-comfortable with makeup, but she wants mostly makeup. My bag is light to medium skin, dark eyes, dark hair, very comfortable with makeup, but I want skincare. I want a skincare heavy bag. I'm gonna go in my bag first, which oddly enough feels very, very heavy, and then hers is pretty girthy, but very light. We'll see what happens. I have not gotten any spoilers, because I have not gotten my PR package yet for the month. So I don't even know what the bags look like. I don't know anything about these this month. So we're just gonna dive in. Okay, the bags, it's cute. It's tropical, it's summery, not necessarily my vibes, but there's something big in here. Right on top, not in the bag, is a refreshments Brilliant Body Bar Coconut Colada. Oh my gosh. I don't really think I want to see refreshment stuff in the Ipsy. That's personal preference, but it smells divine from what I can smell. And I think they're vegan and cruelty free. It does say animal testing free. They're made in the USA with globally sourced ingredients. Ooh, okay, I'm excited about this. If you got this, let me know. I feel like that's kind of a weird product. Anyways, here's our bag. It does have a hot pink zipper pull, and it is a beautiful tropical print. I don't care for it, but I don't typically keep my bags, so I could give a crap less. We always have our little informational card, and this month's theming is Let Yourself Bloom. Bring on brighter days and warmer weather. There's a new season on the horizon, so get outside, feel the sun on your skin, but don't forget your SPF. SPF and hydration, honey, is your best friend, especially if you're over 40, I'm just saying. And allow yourself to bloom into your full potential. All our deets should be inside the card, so we're not going to look at it just yet. I like to be surprised. Next up, I feel a good size too. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. No harsh sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens. Y'all, that's a good size. Like, it's as big as my big old head, honey. That's a pretty decent size. And Briogeo is a pretty expensive brand. Next is, I think, a full-size mascara too. It's a full-size mascara. It says Great Lengths Mascara, lengthening and thickening, formulated with jojoba oil and castor oil, and it's by Butanique Beauty. Let me put it up here so y'all can see that. That's pretty darn cool, y'all. I'm really excited. I was talking crap about that little bar of soap, but this is a pretty dang nice bag. And then next, cool, is a Kenzie Zest for Life Eau de Parfum. Is that the shade? The shade. The scent, Zest for Life, I think. Okay. And it's an actual sprayer too. I hate that sometimes we get like the roller balls or the oils. I don't really care for those. And it's an actual Eau de Parfum. And if you're unfamiliar, the Eau de Parfum has less alcohol and more of the good stuff, the nice rich essential oils and stuff like that. The Eau de Toilette is typically going to fade a lot faster and not have staying power, where the Eau de Parfum will. My sniffer's still a little broke from COVID, so I don't know how much I'm gonna smell this. Oh my gosh. I'm smelling soft, a little bit breezy, kind of natural clean, and a little bit of like spice, citrus. Oh my. That smells divine. Y'all, I'm loving this bag. Oh, and then we have a Kismet Love Struck gloss. I'm gonna assume it's a gloss. Y'all, I love this bag. And it wasn't super makeup heavy. I basically got gloss and a mascara, something for my hair, a soap bar, and the perfume. I'm 5 out of 5 yellow hearts. I love this bag. You can't tell me nothing. I love it. So the inside will give you all of your pertinent deets, how much everything is worth, and so on. We have the Briogeo, the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This miracle mask is infused with rosehip oil, algae, and B vitamins to help smooth frizz. Lord, I need that, honey. Seal your split ends, enhance shine, and protect hair from damage and breakage. This is a deluxe sample. The full size is $39. This is a pretty darn good size, y'all. Next up was our Kenzie Zest for Life. This scent has all the makings of a tropical beach vacation. It opens with bright notes of orange blossom, mango nectar, and coconut water, then rounds out with a hint of warm cedarwood and soft hibiscus. Now all we need is our pina colada. And this is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $55. This smells divine from what I can smell. Next is the Kismet, the Polished Lip Plumping Gloss. I'm gonna try this real quick. Baby soft lips coming right up. This plumping gloss in a shimmery pink shade helps your pout stand out and stay hydrated thanks to its nourishing formula that is packed with jojoba oil, glycerin, and vitamin E. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $18. I'm gonna try this in just a second. Next was our mascara. I love the packaging, by the way, and it has a little bit of weight to it. Beautonique Beauty Great Lengths Mascara in Black. Flaunt fuller and flirtier looking lashes with this nourishing mascara that not only helps to lengthen and lift, but it also strengthens the lashes from the inside out with almond oil, camellia oil, and oleic acid. Hope I'm saying that right. And this is a full size for 21 bucks. That is already well worth the price of admission, y'all. Hi. We're interrupting your programming just to bring you a, just in case you didn't know this existed. I'm going to show you about this little thing called Guard Your ID. As you can see here, you cannot see my address, but you can see Ipsy's address at the top. I have this little gadget here. They don't know I exist. I've used them for years. I purchased them from QVC. I love them. But I always see people, whether it's credit card statements, credit card applications, or like screenings, bills, whatever the case may be, or packages. When I see people do unboxings, it's ripped off, there's tape, they're trying to cover it, they're trying to blur it out. This little contraption is very affordable. They last forever. And you literally just take this. Again, you can see Ipsy's address and not mine. You literally take this and you roll it across. I just wanted to note that. I wanted to pop in and say that. You can get back to your regularly scheduled programming now. I love this box bag. And then last we had our Refreshments Brilliant Body Bar in Coconut Colada. This nourishing body bar helps to gently cleanse, purify, soothe, and soften skin for all over freshness and hydration. It is gentle enough to be used on all skin types and made with only clean and vegan ingredients, and it is $9. Okay. What do y'all think about this bag? Y'all, 5 out of 5 yellow hearts for me. I'm gonna stall so I can try to get this lip plumping thing open. I love it. I love the blends. I love that it's some different products than we kind of normally see. Liners. I'm gonna shake it up a little bit. I don't always like glosses and stuff that have shimmer particles in them, as long as I don't feel it though, and it's not a crunchy, gritty, whatever type of product, then I don't mind it. And I love lip plumpers, so I'm excited. I'm excited to see this. All right, as a small kind of more like triangular type of wand. Not a whole lot comes out. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see. Let me turn the light down just a hint. I don't like frosty stuff, so I don't know how I'm gonna like this. Oh my goodness. Oh. I'm gonna give it a chance. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That smells divine. It's like baked goods. Okay, I don't really like the shade of this. It's a little kind of like milky and a little frosty for me. I would use a liner, just letting you guys know, being transparent with that. A little bit of grip, a little bit of weight, but not sticky. I don't feel the glitter in it. Alright, we'll give it a second. We'll see what happens if it actually plumps. For me, plumping means it gives me that little like tingling or cooling, and your color kind of flushes from your lips. You look a little bit more pouty. I think a lot of brands use plump as in it looks plump and juicy. So to me, that's not a plumper. Just saying. All right, next I'm gonna go into my mother-in-law's bag. And thank you to her. She's always so generous to let me look at her bag before she looks at her own bag. All right, nothing in the actual bag. Of course, it's our same exact bag, same theming, which is Let Yourself Bloom. Okay. First in her bag is Jasmine Beauty Illuminating Highlighter. Already a makeup product. I think she's going to be happy with that. Let's see the shade. I'm not going to open it because it is not mine, but this does look like a very wearable shade for her. Okay, we're starting off with a bang. I don't feel anything, so I don't know if it's necessarily plumping. Next is a big box. This is the Juve Violet Bacteria-Free Sponge. I don't think she typically uses a sponge, but it's makeup or makeup tool, so I don't think she'll be angry at that. Next is a Korres Foaming Cream Cleanser Pre and Probiotic. Next up is an Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Pasadena. I definitely think she would wear that. I am starting to feel a little something now. Almost like cinnamony, like kind of like the Too Faced one, but nowhere near as intense as that one is. But I love that one. I'm a crazy person, I know y'all. And then last in her bag is the Ciate Velvet Skin Cream Blush. In the shade Cheeky. Let me try to open this without messing up her box. Again, this is not mine. I guess it's going to be this shade, so if it is, I think she would really like it. So in her bag, she had the blush, the lipstick, and the highlighter. I say makeup heavy. And then her sponge, don't know if she's going to get use out of this. And then the cleanser, I think that she would love as well. Let's get some deets on the products in her bag. The Korres Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser. This gentle cream to foam cleanser removes stubborn makeup, dirt, and excess oil. Plus it helps reduce redness, all without stripping your skin of moisture. The star ingredient, Greek yogurt that is rich in nourishing prebiotics and probiotics and essential vitamins and minerals. This is a deluxe sample. The full size is $28. Next up was the Uve Beauty Violet Antimicrobial Blender. Applying your makeup like a pro has never been easier thanks to this bouncy blender. It is made with a super plush antibacterial foam that ensures your makeup goes on smooth. It is of course a full size for $19.99. Next up was her little highlighter, the Jasmine Beauty Illuminating Highlighter in Jazzy. Want luminous and glowing skin that looks otherworldly? This smooth and buttery highlighter helps cast a glorious radiance on your body and face that glows above and beyond. This is a deluxe sample. The full size will be $36. Next is the Ciate London, the Velvet Skin Cream Blush in Cheeky. Give your cheeks a pretty pink glow just in time for spring. This creamy blush is not only buildable and blendable, but it is also good for, it also has good for you ingredients like hydrating hyaluronic acid and brightening vitamin C. This is a deluxe sample. Full size is $22. The Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Pasadena. This universally flattering mauve shade is guaranteed to be your new everyday essential. The ultra comfortable formula is a perfect balance of matte but hydrating, so your lips look pigmented and feel healthy and soft. It's a win-win. This is a deluxe sample and the full sizes are $20. Who do you think had the better bag? I think I had the better bag this month. I'm just saying, although she got a makeup heavy bag, and I think she's also going to really love her bag. My bag was a winner Riri dinner this month. Okay, y'all. Comment down below your thoughts. Are either of us your bag twins? Let me know your thoughts down below. Let's have that conversation. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.